everyone, my name is Laura Radeski. I'm a senior at Hofstra University, and I'm so excited to join Schneps Media as a media journalist intern this semester. I love going out onto the island, covering local events, and speaking with people from all different walks of life, and I'm really looking forward to honing those skills in a professional environment with the help of my fellow interns. I also want to branch out into other styles of content beyond writing and photography, like short-form video and graphic design, and I think Schneps will be a great place to work on that.
Hi, my name is John Sosa. I'm a junior at Baruch College, majoring in journalism, and I'll be working as a multimedia journalist intern at Schneps Media. I'm excited about this opportunity because I'll collaborate with different editorial departments and learn from them. And what I love about this position is that you never get bored. There are endless stories out there in the city that need to be heard, and we are here to write about them. So I look forward to collaborating with the team and meeting my fellow co-interns.
Hi everyone, my name is Tara Siegel and I'm a junior here at Pace University, and I'm so excited to be a media journalist intern for Schneps this fall 2024 semester. Something I'm so excited about and also super passionate about within journalism as a whole is just getting the opportunity to learn so much about stories that aren't usually uplifted in the media. I am not a New York local, but I love New York City so much, and I feel it has given myself so much opportunity. And so the opportunity to go around the city and meet so many local people and find so many new stories is super exciting to me, and I can't wait to see what the semester will bring.
Hi everyone, my name is Marcos de Paula and I'm a junior at NYU, and I'm going to be working as a media journalist right here with the company. I'm very excited about this great opportunity that is actually being given to me, and I'm going to take advantage of it. I'm going to take advantage of storytelling, of reporting, and being a great journalist. And I know being part of this company is going to actually really help me a lot.
Hello, I'm Erin Mahin, and I'm a current graduate student at Boston University. I study journalism. I'm really excited to be working with Schneps this semester in particular because it coincides with our current election season, and there can be a lot of confusing jargon thrown around when it comes to policy work. So my goal for this semester is to learn how to bring that news to the masses in a way that is both interesting and informative.
My name is Naisha, and I'm a senior at NYU studying journalism and Spanish linguistics. I'm really passionate about different cultures and languages, which is why I was able to travel last year and study abroad in Madrid, Spain. Coming back in New York, I really appreciate the level of rich diversity the city has, and I'm really excited to learn how to report on local news and politics, to learn a little bit more about a lot of the communities in New York and what makes them unique and the issues that they're currently facing.
Hi, my name is Chris, and I'm a senior at NYU studying marketing. I'm excited to be joining Schneps Media this fall as a media sales strategy intern. I love this work because I am really passionate about creating and developing new relationships, and I hope to have the opportunity to blend my creativity and strategy to help clients reach audiences in new and innovative ways. My goals this semester are to learn more about media sales strategy, to make new friends.
Hi, I'm Wendy, a master's student at Baruch College, and I am Schneps Media's new media sales strategy intern. I'm looking forward to creating sustainable strategies that leverage KPIs and data and work with hyper-local clients to make sure Schneps Media can keep telling New York stories.
I'm Gia Chaudhry, a final semester grad student at BU, getting my master's in journalism. This year, I'm the media sales strategy intern for Schneps Media. I'm really excited about being a part of this program because they're really allowing me to exercise my passion for marketing and branding while working with different publications across New York and Long Island. My favorite part of this type of work is creating pitch decks and coming up with new ideas that can really push a brand forward, especially in a fast-paced environment like New York.
Hey everyone, my name is Jonathan Mack and I'm currently a junior at New York University. I can't wait to get started this fall at Schneps Media as their sports creative journalist intern, joining the team that helps produce content that you, New York City sports fans, want to read and see. Not only that, but I want to showcase the emotions and the storylines off the pitch and the court that only sports can produce. I'm a massive sports fan, specifically in soccer, and my goal is to showcase the growing soccer community here in New York City and hope that it shows how crazy passionate fans can be here as well.
Hi, my name is Mil Backus and I go to Queensborough Community College. You might know me as Mil Media on socials. I'm a big New York sports fan. I'm most excited about gaining professional experience within the journalism and media field, as well as telling stories through my own lens. My favorite part of this type of work is getting to connect with people, whether that be fans, athletes, or anyone. I'm very passionate about editing, video content creation, and writing, and I'm hoping this internship can develop all of those aspects for me. My main personal goal is to learn as much as I can from the mentors and writers at Schneps Media so that I can apply that knowledge to my own career.
Hello everyone, my name is Max Edelman. I'm a senior at Hofstra University and I am going to be a sports content intern with AM New York this fall. Sports has always been a massive part of my life. I've been going to games for as long as I can remember and watching as long as I can remember, and being able to report on it has been a dream of mine forever, and I can't wait to go everywhere and see everything, and I'm excited to take you guys along on that journey with me.
Hi, I'm Ari Antonelli. I'm a senior at Hofstra University, and I'm really looking forward to working with the creative people here at Schneps. I love seeing what people are passionate about and what drives them in their life, and that's what I love so much about journalism. And I'm really excited to see how I grow through this internship. I'm looking to get a lot of experience in things you can't find in a textbook, or rather with working with all different types of people, and I can't wait.
Hello, my name is Tobias Kurzweil, and I am a student at Hofstra University. One of the many reasons I am excited for this internship is because I feel like journalism is a great way to learn about the place in which you live and to build a community. And I hope that I can spread that information to other people to help them build a community here as well.
Hey guys, I am Iris Xu. Currently, I'm a senior at New York University studying media, culture, and communication. I'm really excited about the opportunity to dive into the media world with Schneps Media, especially about social media strategies and video production. I am passionate about creating compelling digital content and telling stories in new ways, which is connecting with people. I want to bring my ideas to the team, learn from everyone, and grow my skill. I am excited about to collaborate with all of you guys and make the experience the most together.
Hi, I'm Nicole. I'm the social media assistance intern. I'm studying Brown College, and this is my senior year. I'm excited to create content, to engage with followers, and manage the different social media platforms. My favorite part is seeing my content come to life and how it resonates with the audience. I'm passionate about improving my skills in social media strategy, same as creating content and analyzing the performance of the data. My goal is to contribute to the brand growth, same as building my portfolio and gaining a value experience.
Hi, my name is Ravneet Kaur and I'm a senior at Baruch College, currently studying marketing and management. And I'm excited to join Schneps Media as social media assistant, where I'll be interning and learning the art of content creation, where I'll be telling different stories from New York. And I'm really excited about the opportunity and learn from various stories and see what different aspects I can bring it to you.
Hi, my name is Brooke Begley and I'm a senior at Marist College. This fall, I'm going to be working as the digital design intern at Schneps Media. I'm so excited to grow as a graphic designer and work with a team of talented people to make readers excited about local events in New York. I love creating visuals that others can be passionate about, and I'm hopeful that this internship will help me grow and try new things.
Hi, my name is Kim and I'm a senior at NYU. And for this fall internship, I will be a digital designer for Schneps. And I'm really excited to be able to collaborate with like-minded people and also learn how to use my creativity through storytelling. I think this internship will bring a unique perspective and have me be able to explore different techniques and ideas. And I'm just really looking forward to be able to grow as a designer.